Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're running a busy office, hosting events, or just love having fresh hot coffee ready for a crowd without constantly brewing pots, then get excited because today we're brewing up something special. It's the CROSSON commercial Airpot coffee brewer. This pour-over drip machine makes up to 2.2 litres of delicious coffee in minutes, with a thermal Airpot dispenser that keeps it hot for up to 24 hours, and a convenient pump for easy serving. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you need reliable, large-capacity brewing that stays piping hot all day, this brewer is a total game changer for your caffeine routine. Let's pour into the details and see why it's worth every sip. First, the feature breakdown on the CROSSON commercial Airpot coffee brewer. This is a commercial-grade pour-over drip coffee maker designed for high-volume use, with a 2.2-litre capacity that's perfect for offices, restaurants, or home gatherings. It brews about 12 cups in one go. It uses a stainless steel funnel for even water distribution over the grounds, extracting optimal flavour at the ideal temperature of 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. The brewing process is simple. Add water manually to the top reservoir, which then rains down evenly for full contact and rich taste. The included Airpot is vacuum-insulated stainless steel with a thermal liner that keeps coffee hot for up to 24 hours without electricity, so no more cold brews or reheating. It has a pump dispenser for mess-free pouring. Just press the top to serve, no tilting required, and a swivel base for easy access from any angle. The brewer itself is compact, measuring about 13 inches wide by 8 deep by 23 high, weighing around 10 pounds, so it fits on counters without taking over. Setup is straightforward. Plug into a standard outlet, add a filter and grounds to the funnel, pour in water, flip the switch, and it brews in 5 to 7 minutes. Priced around $300, it comes with the Airpot, funnel, and is ETL certified for safety, with a durable stainless steel body that's rust-resistant and easy to wipe clean. Versatility shines here. It's great for regular coffee, but you can experiment with different grinds or even tea bags for hot water dispensing. The pump Airpot is portable, so take it to meetings or events, and the brewer's design minimises splashes and spills. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are brewing strong. Fast 5 to 7 minute cycles for quick service, excellent heat retention in the Airpot for all-day hot coffee without bitterness, even extraction for flavourful brews every time. Easy pump dispensing that's user-friendly for all ages, and sturdy commercial build that holds up to daily use. Users love how it serves crowds effortlessly, saves time compared to pod machines, and the vacuum insulation really keeps things hot for hours, perfect for busy environments. On the con side, it's manual pour over, so no automatic water fill. You add water each time. The Airpot pump might require priming if not used often. At $300, it's pricier than homebrewers, but worth it for capacity. And some note the funnel could be easier to clean if grounds stick, though most say it's simple. Overall, pros percolate for anyone needing dependable volume. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the CROSSON commercial Airpot coffee brewer if you brew for groups, and the pros like long-lasting heat, easy serving, and rich flavour make sense for your setup. It's ideal for offices, events, or big families wanting pro-level coffee without the hassle. Before we wrap, if these reviews perk up your day, hit subscribe for more kitchen gear insights. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with a coffee lover, or subscribe for more. See you next time.